because for every RCB fan, it is a joy of watching the RCB watches in Bengaluru. There have been multiple interruptions, and of course, after the RCB victory, we saw what happened in Bengaluru. We have some breaking updates coming in because for fans, this is very, very important on whether the RCB will be playing in Chinnaswamy Stadium or not. And is there any deterrent from the government? Because sources have suggested that RCB is very keen to play in Bengaluru, the home ground. But the RCB is of the opinion that the government is a deterrent. So we don't know yet whether the Bengaluru matches will take place there or not. My colleague Karishma is getting us the updates. And Karishma, we've been waiting, of course, RCB fans waiting to watch matches. But there has been a lot of controversy over Chinnaswamy Stadium. Can we see RCB play in Bengaluru again? What are the details?
Well, Pratibha, what we're given to understand at this point in time is that they have time up until the 27th of January. They can go back to the Karnataka government, check with them and understand if they are willing to compromise or adjust on any of the strict guidelines that they have placed on the franchisee, the IPL franchisee Royal Challengers Bengaluru. Now, of course, everyone remembers the stampede happened and a lot of action was taken after that. Now, the state government has put in some rules which include that the road outside the Chinnaswamy will also be RCB's responsibility. Then there was an area in the stadium wherein the entire entertainment console was put. Now, the state government has gone ahead and said that this is where the fire brigade is going to go. These are the two things that sources confirmed to us, but there are many other issues as well. The RCB earlier had offered to put in a 4.5 crore AI camera control system as well to help secure every inch and corner of the stadium, and they had agreed to pay for it as well. But these particular rules from the state government are a deterrent and will be a problem when RCB decides whether they are going to play in Chinnaswamy or they will move to two other venues, which would be Navi Mumbai and Raipur.
Okay, all right, Karishma, thank you for joining us with those details. Is the onus on the state government to also ensure that the matches do actually take place in Bengaluru? We remember the fight that had broken out as well. Thank you for joining us with those details. There's another controversy that's brewing in Karnataka. It's a